That's the workshop.
Santa workshop, that's right.
Now, so, have you been a good little girl since last Christmas?
Yep.
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Here we are. Oh, it seems you've been very good. Oh, look at the beautiful blonde hair.
It's you, Sophia.
Yeah. The man.
With your snowman, that's right.
You are 2 years old.
Yeah.
Is that right?
In that.
I see here that you're
In that.
really
In
hard
that.
to
It's a button.
brush your teeth before bedtime. I'm very proud of you. But you have to keep it up, you know.
Yeah.
Because nothing gets past Santa.
Yep.
Santa also knows that you would like him to bring you a certain thing.
Mommy toy.
That's right, mermaid toy.
That can be arranged. In here, darling. I'm on the P&P. Coming, darling.
Nice.
That's Mrs. Claus.
Oh dear, it's already time to go back to the workshop. Sophia, I have to go now. But I'm very happy I had a chance to talk to you. Now continue to be a good girl
Yep.
and have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
Yep.
Ho, 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 ho!
Bye-bye, Santa.
More doctor.
Maybe again afterwards.